afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2011 government pass question number 13. And the question number 13 here says a main feature of the parliamentary system is that a main feature of the parliamentary system is that. And when we talk of parliamentary system is a system of government in which the head of state is different from the head of government. So, and we are looking at the cogent feature of parliamentary system, that is, feature here can also be known or called characteristic of parliamentary system. Option A say electoral commissioners live at the end of their tenure. B, the executive is appointed by the legislature. C, the executive consists of all party members. D, judges are drawn from the ruling parties. The major feature of parliamentary system is that the executive is appointed by the legislative. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.